Hello and welcome to day 11 of the Mental Health Awareness Challenge. Today we will be doing cooking. And today's cooking, I will be doing one of my favorite dishes that I'll be doing, but mostly the morning ones. This is Chocolateypan, or hot chocolate and bread. So what you're gonna need is oleta, which is this little gray pan that we use for like the dark, hard, bitter chocolate, and molino. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your hard, dark, bitter chocolate, put it in the pot. Then you're gonna have like a cup of milk. Sometimes it can be a cup of milk, half, and water, half, if you want to. But I highly recommend milk because milk is better. You pour it in to the hortela and turn on your stove to heat it up. Heat up the chocolate and stir it for a couple more minutes. Yeah. The next thing is you're gonna have bread. Any type of bread you want. Usually we have like cheese bread, Italian bread, Cuban bread, any type of bread. So I'm gonna go with fresh baked bread Italian and with some butter. But usually we would add the hot chocolate with cheese or with the bread so it can melt the tastiness and the cream and like has a nice rich balance to it that is just great and tastes good. So you grind it up with the molino as you keep stirring as the chocolate disintegrates in, and voila, and there's your chocolate pan. Thank you.